Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to see your trades on TradingView mobile application, position, order and P&L history. So to see you can simply open the broker which one you are using. I am using paper trading broker. So tap on the icon. Now here it will open the broker panel where you will find your account balance, your realized P&L, unrealized P&L and to see your trade you can simple here click on here the position you will find at the downside where you will see your trade value and the market value. Also here you can simple go to orders where you will find the order history, okay, and the balance history. And now you will also see here your realized P&L. So here is how you can easily see the trades on TradingView mobile application. Also once you open the chart, here you will see a pop-up screen available where it will gives you a message about the buy plus one. It means I buy at the point here, okay, where the chart is growing, okay. So now here you will easily see your trade. Goodbye.